In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook ads running. With digital marketing becoming increasingly vital for businesses of all sizes, understanding how to monitor and analyze your Facebook ad campaigns is essential. Today's quick guide is designed to walk you through the steps necessary to check on the status of your Facebook ads, ensuring you can keep tabs on your marketing efforts efficiently. We'll start by navigating to the Facebook Business Manager. Facebook Business Manager is a tool designed by Facebook to help users manage their ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them, all in one place. It's incredibly useful for keeping your business activities organized and easily accessible. Once you're on the Facebook Business Manager page, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login with Facebook button. This is your gateway to access all of your business's Facebook marketing tools. By clicking this, you'll prompt a login window where you can enter your credentials. It's seamless if you're already logged into Facebook. Otherwise, simply enter your Facebook login details to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with the account selection screen. Here, you'll choose the account you wish to manage. This might be straightforward if you only have one account, but for those managing multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one to proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring you're viewing or modifying the ads for the correct business or campaign. Having accessed the correct account, direct your attention to the lower left panel of the screen and click on Ads. This area of the Business Manager navigates you through various features, but today we're focused solely on ads and their management. Next, you'll want to click on Ads Manager. This is essentially the control room for all your Facebook advertising activities. Ads Manager is a powerful tool that allows you to create, manage, and review all your Facebook ads. It gives you detailed insights into how your ads are performing, enabling you to make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. Upon accessing Ads Manager, you'll want to go directly to Campaigns. You can find this easily as it's prominently featured in the interface. The Campaigns section of Ads Manager provides an overview of all your advertising campaigns. Each campaign houses its ad sets and ads, making it easier for you to organize and track your advertising efforts based on your set objectives. Once you're in the campaigns section, it's essential to check the delivery status of your ads. You're looking to see if it's marked as on. This status indicates that your campaign, ad set, or ad is currently active and being shown to your target audience. An on status is what you're aiming for if your goal is to have your ads running. Additionally, it's helpful to note you can also check the first column for quick status insights. If you see on, it signifies your ad or campaign is active. Conversely, an off status means that campaigns, ad sets, or individual ads aren't currently running. This distinction is critical for troubleshooting or re-evaluating your ad strategies. Let's remember, keeping a close eye on your ad campaign status helps you better track performance and optimizes your marketing budget effectively. An active OAN status means your message is out there, engaging with your audience. If you find any of your desired ads or campaigns aren't running, you can then delve deeper into potential issues or adjustments needed to get them going again. Understanding how to check the delivery status of your Facebook ads is a fundamental skill in navigating the digital marketing landscape. With today's guide, you're equipped to monitor your ad campaigns, ensuring they are indeed reaching your intended audience. Whether you're new to Facebook advertising or looking to brush up on your skills, learning how to effectively manage and review your ads will undoubtedly contribute to your marketing success. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to maximizing your Facebook marketing efforts and driving meaningful engagement and results for your business.